this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to create a space jump effect in Adobe After Effects. This effect can be seen in movies when the spaceship enters into a light speed. This effect is very simple to do. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start, my suggestion will be not to memorize these steps. Try to understand how it works. I'll explain everything. This way you can learn After Effects and can apply different methods in your projects. Okay. First, create a new composition. I'll go with 1080p resolution with 30 fps. Duration will be 10 seconds. We can go with 4K 60 fps. It doesn't really matter. Now right click and create a solid. You can also create a solid from Layer, New, Solid. Pick any color you want. Now go to Effects and Presets. You can find it in Window, Effects and Presets. Search CC Starburst and apply it to the solid layer. You will see a scene from the space with millions of stars is created. We're gonna animate it. In Effect Controls, you can see a lot of options, but we just need the first two of them. The scatter will control how dense those stars are. It kinda looks like snow, right? Anyway, I want them to have gaps between them, so let's increase it. 500 will do. Next we need to animate it. It's already moving because the speed is set to 1 by default. We need to add keyframes to control it. If we set a high number, then it will move faster and vice versa. Okay, go to at the beginning of the clip and set the speed to 0. Click the stopwatch icon to add a keyframe. You can press U to see the keyframe here. Now go to 1 second and set the speed to 5. A new keyframe will be added here. Now go to 5 or 6 seconds and add another keyframe here. This means from here to here, the speed will be 5. Finally, go to 7 seconds and set the speed to 0. It means it will gradually slow down to 0 from 5. So it increases the speed at the beginning and remains 5 at the middle and then again slows down to 0. Now if I play, we can only see the camera is moving forward. So next we need to add the light trails. Again go to Effects and Presets and search Echo. Apply it to the same solid layer. Here we're gonna change the first two options. The echo time means the time difference between the main footage and the echoes. Here we need to put a very small number like 0.001, so there won't be any gap between the echoes. I explained these echo effects more clearly in this tutorial. Then we need to increase the number of echoes. Something like 50 to 60 will do. Now if I play, you will see it's working. To get a smoother animation, select the keyframes, right click and go to Keyframe Assistance and select Easy Ease. This is the main process, but we can do better. Let's add some glow. Search glow in Effects and Presets and apply it. We can increase the amount of glow, but the default one looks okay. Next I will change the color. Add a tint effect. Map the white to a light blue. Now this looks awesome. For the final touch, I want to add a camera shake. Press P for position. Here I will add an expression. Don't worry, it will be a very simple expression. Hold Alt and click the stopwatch icon. Not sure why this one is showing, but anyway, type wiggle, open bracket, 5, 50, close bracket. Then click anywhere outside the expression editor. Here 5 is the frequency and 50 is the amplitude. Now if I play, then you will notice it shakes throughout the entire clip. But we want to shake it when it starts to speed up. We cannot add keyframes in an expression, but we can still control it with a slider control. Go to Effects and Presets and search Slider Control. Apply it to the solid layer. Press P for position and expand it. Now select the amplitude, which is 50 here. Then without clicking anywhere, drag the P-cube icon to the slider control. Now we can control the amplitude value with the slider control. That means we can add keyframes here. Start at the beginning and click the stopwatch icon. Set it to 0. Now go to 1 second and set it to 50. Then go to 6 seconds and add a keyframe here. The value will be 50 here as well. And then at 7 seconds, set it to 0 again. It shakes, but one problem arises. You can see the black borders. Just press S for scale and increase it a bit to hide the black borders. And there you have it. At the end you can add some sound effects and maybe a cockpit view. That's totally up to you. So this is how you can create a space jump effect in Adobe After Effects. Hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.